Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are gonna see how we can transfer file from our smartphone to the PC wirelessly without using any cables. So to do that, first of all we have to turn on the hotspot in the smartphone, and then we have to connect our smartphone to the PC. So let me just connect to the PC, and you can see our smartphone has been connected to the PC. Now we have to go to Play Store and we have to download the applications called Wi-Fi FTP server. So we have to download and install the applications. I have already downloaded the application, so I'm gonna click on open, and you can see this is the application that is needed to transfer the file. So here it is having a very simple user interface. So all we have to do, we have to click on the smart location, and now the phone is acting as a server, and you can see the phone has its own server URL. So we can use that URL from on PC or any other remote device, and you can access all the files of that smartphone. So now we have to go to my computer and then right click and click on add in the network location, and then click on next again, and here we have to put the server URL from that applications. So I'm gonna type that out: ftp 192.168.109 and 189, and then clone 2221. So I have copied the server URL into the network address, and now click on the next, and then again next, and then click on finish. And you can see where remote accessly all the files of our smartphone, and now we can just drag and drop files onto that desktop, and you can transfer files from the smartphone to the PC, and also we can transfer files from the PC to the smartphone. Similarly, also we have to drag and drop the files into the folder, and this way the file from the PC will be transferred into the phone. So every time we wanted to transfer the file, we just have to connect our smartphone to the PC, and then we have to double click on the network location, and this is where we can access all the files. And also we can transfer the files in both the direction without using any cable. So this is very handy, and it is very easy to transfer files within the smartphone and the PC. So hope this video is helpful to you. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.